My paper is primarily focused on the consciousness of dogs, but I would like to explore the topic of how a dog's brain perceives the information and learns from it. Animals like such learn from a conditioning method. There are two types of conditioning methods, classical and operant. And these are the two methods that I would like to discuss. Classical conditioning is an automatic type of learning in which a stimulus acquires the capacity to revoke a response that was originally evoked by another stimulus. Classical conditioning was founded by a man named Ivan Pavlov. He did an experiment with dogs. What he did was he paired food with an auditory stimulus. After pairing them a couple of times and testing it out, he saw that the dogs would respond just to the sound of the bell. The bell was able to acquire the ability to trigger the salivation response without the presence of food. Operant conditioning is most widely known for the experiment of B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner did his experiment with rats and pigeons to prove his theory. Operant conditioning is a method of learning that occurs through reinforcements and punishments of a behavior. It encourages the subject to associate desirable and undesirable outcomes with certain behaviors. The experiments with the rats, what he did was he would put them in this box. As you can see, there's an electric grid and a food dispenser. The rat would have to associate pulling the lever with the food dispenser, and when he would pull the lever, food would be dispensed. Also, he would have to learn to pull the lever when the electric grid was to be turned on, and it would automatically be turned off. Same.